Hello everyone, my name is Rika Dilik from DHT2A. So for today's video, we will do an activity about recreation activity. I have 3 questions that I will answer and I want you to join me in answering them. Let's go! Recreation is anything that you helps you relax, recharge, and enjoying yourself. It can be anything from playing sports like hiking or traveling to reading, gaming, or just chilling with friends. It's all about unwinding and doing what makes you happy. My favorite recreation activity is biking because that's what I've been doing for almost 3 years now. I've been able to enjoy biking. Napupuntahan ko yung mga lugar na akala ko hindi ko kaya, na akala ko hindi ko mapupuntahan. And it's fun to do. I stopped since I started college because I'm busy but I still plan to get back to biking soon. Kasi masarap sa pakiramdam kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. And for me, isa yun sa gusto ko talagang gawin ang pagbabike sa mga lugar na nagkakaroon tayo ng peace of mind. What I expect from our subject is that it will be help us to get rid of the stress we have and we will be more creative when it comes to any sports or anything. Also, pag-aaralan din natin kung ano ba yung iba't ibang klase ng isang sports at kung ano ba yung kahalagahan nito sa mga tao. And yung recreational activity is dito din natin masusukat kung ano ba yung kakayahan natin bilang isang tao. Kasi may mga bagay tayo na akala din natin hindi din natin kaya. But pag ginaray natin siya, kaya pala natin. And that's it. I hope you learned something or found out about me. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!